That's how my dad does it. And I'm like, whoa, hold on now. That washing machine's got a nice motor in it. It's got a circuit board in it. It's got some wires.
Most of the time it's got an aluminum motor in it, but
yeah.
26 pounds. If I can bang it out another...
I think you left those on the bench. There it goes.
These little silver chunks in there. Little silver dilbers. That motor will be copper, I can tell by looking at it. It's got the right shine. Look at that.
Nice.
Of course, this controller, there'll be something good in there, I believe.
That's good cable ties there.
Yeah.
Hey, you want me to get them?
No, I do it the other way. Jeez Louise. Now, I plugged this one in. It didn't want to work, but whether it's a fuse or I don't know. You can I don't know if it's this roller or that roller down there. You this motor, this setup, and 2 rollers, and then you build a stand, get them really close together, extend the wire through, comes out stripped. Beats, it just mashes the rubber, the coating right off of it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I've seen a couple. That looks like aluminum.
Yeah.
There's a brass piece in there. I gotta grab some tools. Don't know if that motor's Chinesium or not. You're gonna have to take it apart. So let me grab. Oh,
no. Let's see what we got up here. That's probably releasing that plate or the board that's inside.
more than one tool of everything? I mean, like hand tools?
Some of it.
Like,
my kids and everybody. Yeah. My kids and everybody walk off with most of my stuff.
So my father was over here. He's like, why do you need 15 pipe wrenches? One might go missing.
Yeah. Exactly.
I just got him off a job. I did pretty good last fall. I had a yard sale at my father's house.
When you get to the point that you've got more than enough, then you can sell some.
I just figured the one that dies with the most hand tools wins. I keep finding toolboxes to put them in. I'm like, ooh. So I like the old antique. Most people consider it antique, but the old Craftsman top box. Just the single one with a single tray. I find them, I bring them home. If they're in good shape, I bring them home. Yeah. Then you look them up on eBay and you're like, you paid $36 plus 18 bucks for shipping. I'm like, oh.
That's a lot. There's that.
And I have sockets, drivers, pressing wrenches. People couldn't go up. Oh.
Yeah, I ain't taking that handle apart. It's not worth it.
Oh, there's a snap. Easy peasy.
Figure out what we have right here. There's probably a mylar in there and some type of circuit board. I took most of the screws out the back.
One right here.
Just trying to see how it come off. I think you got to pull these out here. So all the screws I took out the back probably just released the board inside.
Let me give you a hand. Oh, reverse. So, noise warning.
Yeah.
Keep forgetting that. You didn't give us a noise warning.
Grab that side.
It is getting a little warm, but guess what?
Yeah, just cut that off. Oh, now it wants to come out. See how it is? So there is a screw there that I missed.
Oh, 6'7" ain't supposed to be this low. We got a treadmill last summer, and I went to budget, you know, and guess what? It kicked me back. This thing, it took 3 guys just to get it to the back of the trailer, and then I have a couple 3,000-pound come-alongs. We had to use 2 of them because the cable was getting so tight. I'm like, oh, I'm scared it might pop. And noise warning. So we took it to the scrapyard. 650 pounds this thing weighed.
Wow.
Oh my heavens.
Yeah, so this is going to the mylar. It's all wire. There we go. Need a smaller screwdriver for that. So again, I don't have my pocket knife with me. So let's see if I can get under it this way. There we go. And that's what my nails are for. Come on now. You started twice. So most of the time, anything with a little push button panel like that is going to have Mylar underneath it. And this has silver in it. So it makes your connections. You peel it apart and you can dip it in chemical, and that silver disperses into that chemical, or I don't know that disperse is the right word there, but gets absorbed into it, and then you do some chemical stuff to get it back out.
You use muriatic for that, or do you do something different?
I think it's muriatic acid you put it in.
I'll have to try that.
I haven't done it yet.
So what would I need, like is it Owens Corning glassware?
Yeah.
Sanctioned by the U.S. government. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. May God be with you all.
Yeah. Which,
Lasagna pan.
Tungsten 999 is the one that I watched a video do it. He had some type of bowl. It looked plastic to me, to be honest with you. And he tells you how to set the fluid up and all. And he just laid them in there and let them set for like 30 seconds to a minute and took them out and just kept doing them, and then, you know, reconstituted the silver out of it. And you got 2 boards here. Need a smaller screwdriver. But that is the most of this. We'll probably pull that piece of aluminum out, and you got that motor we can get your copper out of too.
Might be small enough for you.
Yeah.
Hammer to bang that out.
No, we need something smaller.
Okay, I got it.
Let's get a couple of them, but just trying to strip the top on a couple too. Got a crystal oscillator on there. A couple little chips. This is one of those boards that looks like the whole thing's coated in gold. Just a couple gold pins.